It's early morning. The sun's gentle rays filter through your window as you wake up and stretch. But something's different. You notice a subtle mustiness clinging to your clothes, a faint, old person smell you can't quite shake off. It's not your clothes, it's you. But what if I told you that with 6 simple hygiene fixes, even after 70, you can banish that scent, feel fresh again, and reclaim your confidence? This isn't about expensive creams or medical gimmicks. It's about smart, practical habits that every senior can easily adopt. Stick with me until the end, and I'll guide you through each transformative step, woven into a story that'll make it feel like second nature. You're in your bathroom looking in the mirror. You've lived a full life, raised children, built a career, maybe traveled. But lately you've noticed something. No matter how often you shower, there's a lingering odor that never quite goes away. It's not because you're unclean, it's because your body is changing, and so must your hygiene routine. Here's the truth. As we age, skin becomes thinner, drier, and produces less oil, yet sweat still happens. The body's microbiome shifts, and bacteria break down that sweat into odor compounds. Mix in medications, nutrition changes, even incontinence issues, and it's no wonder many older adults find cleanliness a challenge. But that's exactly why these 6 hygiene fixes are so effective. They're simple, attainable, and life-changing. First, let's talk about smart bathing rituals. Instead of a quick rinse-off, imagine turning your daily wash into a mini spa. Use lukewarm water, not hot, to protect delicate skin, and swap harsh soaps for mild pH-balanced cleansers. Take extra time around the armpits, groin, and feet, hot spots for odor-causing bacteria. Finish with a gentle pat dry, no rubbing, and apply a moisturizing lotion before you dress. This small ritual restores skin health and keeps bacteria in check. Second, upgrade your undergarments. Fabric matters. Think soft cotton or moisture-wicking blends that breathe with you. Change underwear daily, and if either incontinence pads or briefs are part of your routine, make sure they're breathable, change frequently, and paired with barrier creams to avoid irritation and odor buildup. These small swaps in clothing choices make a big difference. Third, address foot freshness. Our feet spend hours in closed shoes and sweat gets trapped. Beyond daily washing, introduce antifungal foot powders or sprays, especially if you wear socks or slippers most of the day. Rotate shoes and allow them to air fully between wears. Opt for socks made from bamboo or merino wool. They're breathable and odor-resistant. A clean, fresh base starts from the ground up. Fourth, refresh with targeted cleanses during the day. Keep a soft washcloth and gentle cleanser near the sink. After lunch or low-energy periods, a quick facial cleanse can also wipe away neck or chest sweat. For sensitive underarms, use unscented alcohol-free wipes. And once dry, consider applying a gentle deodorant or antiperspirant suited for mature skin. This pared-down midday ritual keeps you feeling fresh no matter what the day holds. Fifth, choose subtle, refreshing scents. Age affects our sense of smell and also changes how fragrances register. Go for deodorizing sprays or body mists with light citrus, green tea, or herbal notes. Nothing overpowering. After your shower and moisturizer, spritz a small mist near your clothing or hair. Layering like this anchors freshness without masking or overwhelming. Finally, sixth, nourish your hygiene from the inside. Hydrating, gentle exercise, and balanced nutrition support skin renewal and help flush toxins. Drink enough water, enjoy antioxidant-rich foods like berries and nuts, and consider a nightly belly rub with a mild, nutritious oil to support your gut health, often underappreciated in managing body odor. Let me tell you about my neighbor, Mr. Roy. A retired school teacher in his late 70s, he was always impeccably dressed, well-mannered, but lately he shrank away from social events he once loved. At our annual neighborhood gathering, I noticed he seemed subdued. His suit smelled off, and he looked uncomfortable. After a caring chat, he shared he felt like himself was somehow muddied. This snag in his confidence affected his warmth and pride. I showed him these 6 steps: gentle daily bath, smarter clothes, foot care, midday cleanse, light fragrance, and healthy habits. Within a week, I saw a spark return. Not overnight, but like a candle reigniting. His posture lifted, his smile widened. At the next gathering, he laughed freely, and his presence again filled the room with dignity and fresh charm. That's the power of routine. Not flashy gimmicks, but consistent, considerate, respectful habits tailored to mature bodies. Each part we've covered works together. Gentle daily cleansing, breathable clothes, foot care, midday refresh, soft fragrance, and wellness from the inside out. Together, they don't just stop odor. They revive your sense of self and the way others see you. Picture your life renewed, stepping out for community tea, feeling fresh all day, sharing a hug with grandkids confident in your presence, meeting old friends, warm breezes carrying light scent. But the admiration remains yours. Hygiene isn't vanity. It's respect for yourself and those around you. So here's your plan. Tonight, pick up moisture-wicking underwear and a mild cleanser. Tomorrow morning, take your time in the shower, use lukewarm water, mild soap, pat dry, moisturize. Add foot care and breathable socks. Mid-morning and after lunch, do a gentle cleanse again. Spritz a soft body mist in the afternoon. Stay hydrated and eat well. Do this daily. Notice after a week, 2 weeks, it works. If you want deeper guidance, product swaps, sensitive skin deodorants, or foot care routines, drop a comment and I'll share personalized tips. This isn't about pretending to be 30 again. It's about living your 70s and beyond with dignity, vigor, and fresh confidence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves to feel fresh and proud every day. You've earned it, and freshness after 70 is entirely within reach. Let's quickly recap what we covered today. As we get older, our bodies change, and so do our hygiene needs. That old person smell isn't a sign of poor hygiene, but a natural part of aging. The good news? With just a few easy updates to your routine, you can stay fresh, confident, and comfortable every day. First, your daily shower matters more than ever. Use warm, not hot, water and switch to gentle pH-balanced cleansers. Focus on areas like underarms, groin, and feet, then pat dry and moisturize right after. It's not about scrubbing harder, it's about being kinder to your skin. Second, clothing choices make a big difference. Breathable fabrics like cotton or bamboo, clean underwear every day, and properly managing incontinence products can all reduce unwanted odors. Don't forget your feet. Wash them daily, rotate your shoes, and try moisture-wicking socks. Third, stay fresh during the day. A quick cleanse of your face, underarms, or chest with soft wipes or a cloth can keep you feeling refreshed. A light, clean body mist with natural scents helps you feel and smell good without being overpowering. Lastly, it all starts from within. Drink plenty of water, eat foods that support skin and gut health, and keep your body moving. Healthy habits support a clean body from the inside out. Add these steps into your daily rhythm, and in just a week or two, you'll feel the difference. More energy, more confidence, and a renewed sense of self.